Welcome to 93 Ford, a 3-bedroom, 1-bath flat available for rent in the Castro. We are looking at the living room. Large living room. Windows facing west to Noe Street. Lots of light. A working fireplace. A TV mount over the fireplace in case you want to mount your flat screen. Big space. Large, big, boxy rooms. Walking back out, we're going into bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, big, boxy room, 17-foot ceilings, lots of light, beautiful softwood floors, closet space, freshly painted, period detail. We walk into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 opens up to a beautiful west-facing window, lots of sunlight directly out to Noe Street. Magnolia trees, easy access to the Castro. In the closet area, big closet space, lots of storage to hang all your stuff, store your stuff, more closet space, and even more closet space, lots of closet space. Coming back out. Walking down the hallway, and then we have the bathroom on our right. Large bathroom, big bathroom. That's a shower and tub combo unit. Lots of mirrors, lots of light, white, clean, lots of shelving behind the door for towels, linens, whatever you want. Lots of space. And now we're entering the kitchen. Huge kitchen. Very large kitchen. You could have a huge dinner party in here. A very cool light feature piece in the ceiling. Windows facing a beautiful Zen garden with a Japanese maple, honeysuckle, and variety of other things. This is looking out the kitchen window. And now we have the kitchen. Refrigerator, range, oven. We have a huge pantry here to store all of your goods. You put all of your pastas and sauces and rice and whatever else you have in there. And now we're going into bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is also a very large room with lots and lots of closet space. Big, huge closets. You could store a lot of stuff in here. Bigger than most. And that looks out to the kitchen, and that's a view that looks out to the garden from this 3rd bedroom. So a beautiful garden out through the window. You can wake up in the morning and look outside. Very peaceful, very serene. Lots of space. And another window that outlooks the street here. Lots of space. So you can see this room has a lot of light in it. All the rooms have a lot of light in it, but this one has a lot of light in it. It's got 2 windows. Window of the garden and window on the street. Because this is a corner unit available in the Castro. A 3-bedroom, 1-bath unit in the Castro. And then this walks out to the kitchen from the 3rd bedroom. And then you have your own private washer and dryer. go into the washer and dryer area. Got beautiful windows that look out to the garden out here. And we have washer and dryer, full-size washer and dryer, enough to fit all your stuff in there. And then we've got another window that looks out into the backyard with Buddha. And a little gardening going on today, which is good. And we also have these very cool bike racks. These are hanging bike racks that you see above me, and these actually drop down. You can put your bike on that and hoist it up, so they're right here safe inside, not outside on the sidewalk, but they're inside and they're safe and sound because they're inside your unit. So we have 1, 2, 3 bike racks. You just hoist them up and you're good to go. And then when you want to take your bike down, you lower them and you roll out the door and you just roll right out through the garden, and there you go. Also lots of storage up there. See those big shelves up there above the ironing board? There's storage for dry goods or packaged goods or anything extra you might have, sleeping bags for camping, outdoor gear, athletic gear, whatever you have. We have the transom that's over the windows here. I'm going back in through the kitchen. And this is from the kitchen, from the laundry room. The furniture that you see can come with the unit. If you don't want it, that's fine. We'll take it out. If you want it, you can stay with the unit. Whatever you prefer. And this is kind of cool. For all the beer drinkers, we've got like a built-in little dealio right there. So you could just pop open your beer and you're on your way. This is again through the laundry room. And new water heater, all the copper pipes, fat copper pipes, really good water pressure, really hot water. So some units don't really have good water pressure, so you gotta always check for that, yeah? This has really good water pressure because we've got everything's all new. Everything is perfect. Then we've got the beautiful garden outside. Sit outside and have a nice little lunch, a little meal, hang out, entertain, do your thing. And that's 93 Ford.